trying to be funny, but I left it